Hey, it's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. We are at the AIoT World Expo. It's part of the IT Expo Tech Super Show. It's February 2026 in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Ron Elliott is with us. He's with a company called Digi. And interesting fact about the company, I actually was the IT director of TMC, which is the parent company of this event. And back in the 1980s, I moved us from Unix to PC-based Unix. And at the time, if you wanted to connect dumb terminals, there was like really not PCs at the time, you would have these dumb terminals that would plug in over serial cables to an expansion box, and Digi was like the leader in that space. And so I was actually a customer back in the 1980s. So always impressive to me when a company can last under the same name for decades on end and expand and grow. So with that set up, how are you? Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here.
So I kind of gave an overview of your product line from like 5 decades ago. What do you do now?
So now we're part of the infrastructure management group, and we're doing serial over IP, right? So less about the card, and now it's an external device that can have 1 to upwards of 32 ports. And it's seamless because some of the applications still are looking for that COM port, but now the PC isn't next to the device. Now it's in a data center, or we're virtualizing or moving to the cloud. So we help facilitate those initiatives by seamlessly allowing that connection.
And who are the target customers?
Actually, it can be retail, hospitality, manufacturing, oil and gas, energy. They all still have some of those systems in place. And it's just, especially in manufacturing, right? They don't generally swap out equipment because they want their plant running, they want the facility running, but they need to also catch up with times, and that's where we come into play.
Any news that we should know about new products, something that's coming that you can talk about, that you're allowed to talk about?
Sure. So we've got one of our devices that are still in play, but the new use case for it has been testing chipset modules. So they're utilizing our Anywhere USB over IP. And now that we've got the AI chipsets, they're loading the LLMs and running their orchestrators. That allows the engineer to work from anywhere. It also allows them to do a one-to-many, because in the past they would only do one-to-one, right? You plug it into the PC, you run the test. Now with our device, they're able to do a one-to-many and speed up their turnaround times.
Great. Anything else we should know?
Sure. Obviously, with our platform, Digi Remote Manager, there's an increase in AI. We've got a chatbot, so now the turnaround time when you're searching for instructions, when you're trying to understand how your equipment's running, you can ask that question, and it's going to guide you through it. Also, we are beginning to test allowing AI to give you more insight to your platform, the devices. Are they attached? Are they functioning the way they should be? Or should you be scheduling a truck roll to go take a look at what's happening in a remote facility?
Great. How can people find out more about your company?
Sure. If you're interested, go to digi.com/IM or just digi.com.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you.